GO2 Creative Development Corporation, established in 2015, is a professional manufacturer specialized in food and cosmetic packaging. We have over 10 years experience in printing and packaging field. We have good grade GMP plant for food safe packaging, SC Food Safe Packaging certification issued by Shanghai Municipal Quality and Technical Supervision Bureau. We have efficient professional color management system to ensure the highly requirements. We could handle full process about in packaging such as cutting, hot stamping, spot UV, flocking, embossing, and debossing. GO2 have ability of innovative packaging design and advantage technology research and development. GO2 have many R&D patents. We self-developed shape box equipment, which could make heart-shaped box 10,000 per shift, and also Christmas tree, egg-shaped, star-shaped boxes, and so on shaped box with high efficiency, good quality, competitive price. We own full automatic and semi-automatic lid and base machine, which can produce 20,000 square boxes a day. Also, we have automatic folding boxes machine, automatic assembly machines. Higher degree of automation will greatly reduce costs and bring customers high quality and competitive price products. Quality and service are our most valued commitments. GO2 adheres to environment-friendly production concept. We not only attach importance to product functionality, but also take into consideration on the reduction of energy consumption and packaging recycling. We hope we could improve core competitiveness and commercial value through GO2 integrated packaging design and operation service.